To begin, place the tail boot onto the cable. Next, mark the jacket at 5 centimeters. Strip away the tubing at the 5 centimeter mark. Place the cable into the cutting jig. The outer jacket must meet the outer jacket limit. You may have to check if the 900 micron tight buffer is seated into the outer jacket and not slightly pulled out before the next step. Mark the 900 micron tight buffer at the end of the cutting jig. Carefully strip away the tight buffer coating back to the added mark. Strip in small sections to avoid fiber damage until only bare fiber remains. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure that the end of the tight buffer coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver, making sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the base of the connector until the fibers meet inside. You'll feel resistance once they meet. Make sure the Kevlar is fed through the opposite side of the connector. Press the pusher forward to lock the fiber and then remove the pusher. We recommend not discarding the pusher as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Flip the connector over, pulling the Kevlar up. Push the tail boot up and over both the base of the connector and the Kevlar. Tighten the boot around the connector and the Kevlar for 1 or 2 twists. Gather the remaining Kevlar sticking out of the boot and cut away as much as possible. Lastly, screw the tail boot up to complete the assembly.